Hi there! Welcome to Matuto with Teacher Brian.
Hi folks! Ay, mapasok. Kasi nakapag-share ang tawag natin.
Ang number naman sa baba,
Harry Potter. Yan. Tapi, merong paalala.
meron kasi iba't ibang uri ng number.
Let's have hypothesis testing. Okay. Quarter 4, week 1. This is our lesson last 2 weeks. So let's have a quick recap of our lesson. No? So, in hypothesis testing, we have 5 steps. No? So, isa-isayin ulit natin. And the first one is to formulate the hypothesis and then set the level of significance and the direction of the test. Okay? So, let's see that. Now, a statistical hypothesis is a conjecture about the population parameter. This conjecture may or may not be true. And there are 2 types of hypothesis. No? And the first one is the null hypothesis, which is typically symbolized by HO. It is a statistical hypothesis that states that there is no difference between a parameter and a specific value, or that there is no significant difference between 2 parameters. So lagi siyang no significant difference when it comes to null hypothesis. Right? Next. We also have the alternative hypothesis. Now, this one is symbolized by H1 or HA. No? It is a statistical hypothesis that states a specific difference between a parameter and a specific value, or states that there is a difference between 2 parameters. So, ibig sabihin, si null hypothesis and si alternative hypothesis, they are antonyms, kumbaga. No? Magkabaliktaran silang dalawa. So, si null hypothesis, sinasabi niyang walang difference. Si alternative, parating merong difference. That is the difference between the 2 types of hypothesis. And last week also, in-identify natin, no, it was identified that there are 2 types of tests when it comes to the normal curve. So we have the one-tailed test and the two-tailed test. Under the two-tailed test, it could be left-tailed or it could be right-tailed. Alright? So ano ba yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa or saan sila importante? So one-tailed test is when the rejection is located at only one extreme of the range of values. It's either left or right. So paano ba yung mga left? Kapag kasi yung value, yung kinompute mong value, yung Z, yung T, yung F, pag kinompute mo yun, tapos lumagpak sila dito sa tinatawag nating dito, sa rejection region na yan. Halimbawa, napunta siya dito sa point na to. Ayan. So kapag pumunta siya sa point na yan, guys, i-reject natin ang null hypothesis. Okay? Kaya nga siya rejection region. Okay? Yung shaded part ang tawag dyan ay rejection region. Itong unshaded part ang tawag dyan ay acceptance region. Pag sinabi mong acceptance region, pag nag-fall dito yung value ng computed value mo, yung Z, yung T, yung F, or kung anumang mga statistics test na gamitin mo, yung value na ma-generate mo doon, nag-fall siya dito sa unshaded part, ibig sabihin, i-accept natin yung null hypothesis. Alright? That is the essence of the directional tests. Kaya siya directional test kasi may direction. Diba? May direction. It's either left or right. Alright? So next. Then we have this. No? Gumawa ako ng table para mas madaling maintindihan. Right? So, sa one-tailed test, we have these symbols to use. Okay? Sa null hypothesis, if it is right-tailed, we can use equals or the less than or equal to sign or symbols. Right? So, ito po. Ayan. So, this one and this one. Okay po? So, equal or less than or equal to. Bakit? Kasi kapag right-tailed, ang alternative mo, siya yung nakaturo sa right. Okay? Siya yung nakaturo sa right. Yung alternative hypothesis mo. Yung null hypothesis mo naman, siya yung nakaturo naman sa left. Siya yung kabaliktaran. Pero sabi ko nga, lagi niyong ilalagay yung tinatawag natin na, ayan, sorry, yung tinatawag natin na equal sign. Yun, yung line sa baba. Okay? Yung line sa baba. So, ganun din sa left-tailed natin. Sa left-tailed natin, so, equal at saka greater than or equal to kasi left-tailed tayo. Pag left-tailed naman, yung alternative hypothesis, ang symbol niya ay nakaturo sa left. Yan. Okay? So, that's it. Alright? So, next. Now, we have the two-tailed test. When we have the two-tailed test, it's a non-directional test. When the z-score is located on both sides of the mean. Ibig sabihin, ganito siya, dalawa yung shaded part niya, left and right sides. Okay? So, dito we'll have rejection regions on both sides or both tails of the normal curve, right? So, ano naman yung mga symbols na gagamitin mo pag two-tailed? Sa two-tailed test, kapag two-tailed, ang null hypothesis mo, it would be equal and your alternative hypothesis is not equal. Okay? So, dalawa lang po yung symbol for two-tailed. So, bakit tinuturo ni Sir yung mga mathematical symbols? Kasi sooner or later, ang hihingi na lang ni Sir ay yung mathematical equivalent ng statement ng null and alternative hypothesis, which actually looks like this. Okay? Yang nakalagay dyan. As you can see, we are always pertaining to the population. Okay?